Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll solve exercise 7F from new syllabus 1. The question number 1. Question number 1 says how many grams are there in 5 kg? So we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So what will be the 5 kg? 5 kg will be 5000 gram. Now the question asks how many grams are there in x kg? So x kg will be 1000 multiplied by x. That means 1000 x gram. Done. Now, number two. Number two says, what is the cost of 6 magazines at $4 each? That means cost of one magazine is $4. Then cost of 6 magazine will be 4 multiplied by 6. That will be $24 just by using the unitary method. Similarly, what is the cost of P magazines at $4 each? So if cost of one magazine is $4, the cost of P magazine will be $4P. Similarly, also find the cost of P magazines at Q each. So if the cost of one magazine is Q, then cost of P magazine will be PQ. Now, number three. Number three says 4 tennis balls have a total mass of m kg. Find the mass of each ball. That means if 4 tennis ball has the total mass, that is m kg, then what will be the mass of each? That means we need to find out one ball. Mass of one ball will be m by 4 kg. Simple. Number 4, if a horse runs at b kilometer per hour, how far, this is the question, can it go in 2 hours if it keeps the same speed? By using the formula of the distance, there how far, that represent distance. Distance equal to speed multiplied by time. What is the speed here? Speed is b and time is 2. So answer should be 2b kilometer. So we can find out the speed distance formula by using this method. That is, this one represent D, this one represent S, this one represent T. So by using the S means the division. S means D by T. Okay. T means D by S and D means S into T. Simple. Number 5. Number 5 says how many minutes? Minutes are there in m hours? We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So m hour will be 60 multiplied by m. So 60 m minutes. Okay, very simple. So if 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, then m hours will be 60 m minutes. Now number 6. Number 6 says how many weeks are there in y days? We know that 7 days equal to 1 week. So what will be in 1 day? 1 day will be 1 by 7 week by using the unitary method. Now the question says what about y days? So y days will be y by 7 week. Okay. Number 7. If Dan has X dollars, how many marbles can he buy if each marble costs 5 cents? So the question has been given, the information has been given in dollar. Okay. So now we need to find out how many marbles and the cost of one marble is 5 cents. So this is very important thing. So now if I want to convert the dollar into cent, then we can write then has X dollars. If I want to convert this dollar into cent, then it will be 100x cents. And here, the cost of one marble is 5 cents. So the number of marbles will be 100x by 5. That will be 20x marbles. That means by using X dollar, he can buy 20x marbles. Number 8, write the number which is half as big as B. That means half of B. Now, number 9. Number 9 says find the time taken time. This is the important time taken by a cyclist to travel 21 kilometer if he is traveling at v kilometer per hour. So we've already know the formula of the time. So time equal to distance by speed. Okay. So what is the distance right now? 21. What is the speed? V. So 21 by V hour. Okay. Just use this formula. This one is D. This one is S. This one is T. So T should be D by S. Okay. Just if you know this triangle, then you can easily find out distance, speed, time formula. Okay. I hope you understand this one properly. Now, number 10. Number 10 says a shopkeeper buys an armchair for $1. That means buys. Buys means cost price. Cost price is $1 and then sells it at a profit of $B. And he sells at a profit of $B. What is the profit? Profit is right now $B. Then what is the selling price? We know that selling price will be cost price plus profit. Okay, cost price will be $1, profit will be $B. So A plus $B will be the selling price of the armchair. Number 11. Number 11 says a boy is B years old and his father is 6 times as old as him. So what is the age of a boy? Age of a boy is B years. B years. So what will be the age of his father? So father's age will be 6 times. That means 6B. Now the question is find the father's age. Also find the sum of their ages in Y years time. Every time, remember, in Y years time represent after Y years. So what will happen in after Y years? The boy will be B plus Y years. Father will be 6B plus Y years. So their sum of their ages in Y years time will be, the boy will be B plus Y. Father will be 6B plus Y. So if we add 6B plus B, that will be 7B. Y plus Y, that will be 2Y years. 2Y years. So total sum will be 7B plus 2Y years. Now, question number 12. Mrs. Jones' age is equal to the sum of the ages of her 2 daughters. Okay, fine. So, what is the Mrs. Jones' age? Mrs. Jones' age, the sum of the ages of her 2 daughters. So, she has 2 daughters. If the younger daughter is X years old, that means she has 2 daughters. Younger daughter plus elder daughter. So, what will happen? Younger daughter is X years old. Fine. Younger daughter is X years old. What about the elder daughter? Elder daughter is 4 years older. That means X plus 4. If younger is X, elder will be X plus 4. Be careful. Okay. The question says younger daughter X. Elder X plus 4. Why? The 4 years older than younger. Okay. That's why X plus 4. So what will be the final result? X plus X, that will be 2X plus 4 years. Now, question number 13. 13 says, find the 3 consecutive numbers in which n is the middle number. So 3 consecutive numbers. So suppose we can say there are 3 consecutive numbers, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So which one is the middle? 6. So if 6 is the middle, how can we find out the previous number? 6 minus 1. 5. How can you find out the next number after 6? That will be 6 plus 1. Similarly, if n is the middle number, then the previous number will be n minus 1 and next number will be n plus 1. Okay. So the final answer will be n minus 1 and n plus 1. The last question, question number 14 says a motorist drives 5 hours at u kilometer per hour. So if I want to draw the figure, you will understand this one properly. So first 5 hours at u kilometer per hour. And the question says, and for 3 hours, that means next 3 hours at v kilometer per hour. Now, the question says the total distance. So what is the formula of the distance? We know that distance equal to speed multiplied by time. So here, two distance. At first, he covers 5 into u. That is, we can say distance here, 5u because of speed into time. Here, he covers distance equal to 3 into v because speed into time. Now, the total distance. What will be the total distance here? The total distance will be 5u plus 3v kilometer. Okay, so that is the solution of this question. So I hope you understand this one properly. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.